Hi guys and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to first approach the user interface, how to make a 2D sketch, and how to use the Extrude feature. Would you like to know more? Then keep watching. Let's get started. Click on File, then click on New, and choose Standard.ipt. Now start a 2D sketch, and choose the plane you want to sketch on. This is the sketch interface. It is a good habit to project your reference axes. Now, in order to make the object you have seen before, you need to sketch a rectangle first. Select Rectangle 2-point center, and sketch it as shown. Click on Dimension. Now to set the height and width dimensions, you just have to click in sequence on both sides, as it is shown. Then enter a numerical value manually. Okay, the sketch is complete. Click on Finish Sketch. On the feature panel, select Extrusion. Now specify which profile you want to extrude by clicking on it. Finally, enter the extrusion line manually and click OK. Now, in order to make the holes, start another sketch on the front face. Project axes and sides, as it is shown. They will be helpful later, when entering dimension. Now, select Circle and sketch one. Select Dimension, and specify the distance of the hole from the sides as it's shown. To be faster in making the other circles, let's use Mirror. You just have to select the circle first, then select the mirror axis. Finally, click Done. Repeat this trick again, and make the circles become 4. Finish sketch, then click Extrude. Select all the circles. But, on the contrary, this time, choose the cutting option on the setting. And specify Cut Through All. It is very common to chamfer the component at the end of the modeling session. So, click on Chamfer. Then, select one by one all the edges you want to be chamfered, and enter manually the valuing settings. You will get a 45-degree chamfer. In conclusion, choose material and appearance as you need. It's everything for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.